Yes, dear students, today we are moving forward towards your last chapter of your geography, India, People and Economy. That is the book, and chapter number 12. That is the last chapter. So today I am sending this video after a long time period because in between we started map work as well as that one, our uh, practical chapter number 1, data and its data processing. Hopefully you are watching the videos regularly and doing your practice, and I hope so that you all are well and keep on trying. And geographical perspectives of selected issues and problems, it's very clear when we talk about geography, it always talk about the geographical feature of that particular country. And when we talk about geography, that geography tells us about the all the critical situations of the country. In this critical situation of the country, to pollution is very important issue of today. We can say it is the burning question for you, and being aware students, aware citizen, it's your moral responsibility also to check about this type of issues, how to control that, like this and that. In this way, in this chapter we are going to study about your a different type of environmental pollution. When we talk about environmental pollution, it always refers to the result from the release of substance and energy from the waste material and products, and it is always done by two type, that is one is by nature and another is by human beings, and through which these pollutants are transported from one place to another place. And first I would like to talk about the pollution on the basis of the medium. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट समटाइम इस पे क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि क्लासीफाई दिस इन्वायरमेंटल इशू, दिस पोल्यूशन इशू दैट इज डेंजरस टू इन्वायरमेंट एंड human health. It is classified on the basis of medium through which pollutants are transported and diffused. And for that, number one, air pollution, number two, water pollution, number three, noise pollution, and number three, land pollution. And here in this video, I'll concentrate on water pollution first. Water pollution mean to say polluted water, that through water that is not up to the mark, quality of the water gets degraded. And indiscriminate use of water by increasing population and industrial expansion has led to degradation to the quality of the water considerably. When we talk about even it is groundwater, even it is surface water, all type of water contain small quantities, small organic, inorganic substances. When the concentration of these substances increases in a negative way, that further leads to pollution, that is water pollution. In other words, I would like to sum up that water pollution, when there is deterioration in the quality of the water quality of the water get deteriorated, that is the water pollution. And very interestingly, in some there are natural factors, because self purifying capacity of the water is also decreasing. You may understand it by an example also, that like our body makes some type of cells. Ultimately, whenever there is injury, wound, or any type of damage in our body, the body which has immunity strong system, uh, that body gets its very regularly and very, we can say, efficiently get its repair, राइट। तो इसी तरह से बेटा वाटर में भी कुछ इस टाइप की इम्प्योरिटीज़ होती हैं, जो वाटर जब फ्लो करता है, रिवर आगे 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 फ्लो करता जाता है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वाटर सेल्फ प्योरीफाइंग भी हो जाता है। एंड समवेयर When this is not there, that is called water pollution, degradation in the quality of the water. इस टाइप से वाटर की क्वालिटी में डिग्रेडेशन हो जाती है. तो when water pollutants are also created some natural sources and human beings, as earlier I mentioned. So natural sources are those when we take it from soil erosion, landslides, decay, decomposition of the plants, etc., and human activities like cultural activities, religious activities, and some industries are the most contributed for this, right? Erosion, decay, decomposition of plants, animals are the natural pollutants. I have mentioned here also. I can take it, right? इसमें मेंशन भी किया गया है सेकंड पॉइंट. एंड ह्यूमन प्लूएंट वाटर बाय, दैट इज ह्यूमन प्लूटेंट्स आर here that I am trying to tell you. And in this way, a indiscriminate also produces toxins and dispose them into running water, which destroys the ecosystem. Here I would like to tell you about ecosystem also. I think ecosystem includes plants, human and wildlife, animals, whatsoever animals are there. So it all should contain interconnected with to form a good ecosystem. Major water polluting industries like leather, pulp, paper, and chemicals. When this waste water is also put into, dumped into, we can say, river or sea or surface water, then also our water gets polluted. And next, some more incidents, so more examples for this pollution of the water is that when different type of pesticides, chemicals used in agricultural are washed down to water reservoirs. ठीक है, जैसे कि हम खेतों में से कुछ गंदगी निकाल के बाहर फेंकते हैं, धीरे धीरे वाटर में मिक्स हो जाती है. कई तरह के नाइट्रेट कंटेंट जो होते हैं वो वाटर में मिक्स हो जाते हैं इनका वेस्ट फेंकने से, एग्रीकल्चरल डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट पे. तो कई तरह के केमिकल्स जो होते हैं वो भी ग्राउंड वाटर में पहुंच जाते हैं धीरे धीरे. जब हम सरफेस वाटर में डालते हैं तो अल्टीमेटली डिकम्पोजिशन की वजह से ये वहाँ कंपोजिट होते जाते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये वहाँ प्लस होते रहते हैं. एक बड़ा हीप टाइप बन जाता है, एक के ऊपर दूसरा, दूसरे के ऊपर दूसरा, इस टाइप से इनकी एक फॉर्मेशन बन जाती है. तो दैट आल्सो गेट द groundwater polluted. Such type of chemicals also reaches over there. Some I told you cultural activities like pilgrimage, fairs, tourism also cause water pollution in our. So in this way, these water and cultural activities, fair, tourism also cause water pollution. Water pollution is also a source of waterborne disease like diarrhea, हेपेटाइटिस एक्सेट्रा, वेरी वेरी टाइफाइड, जिसे हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज में बोल देते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही बेटा हमारे लिए डेंजरस होता है वाटर पोल्यूशन. अगर वाटर की क्वालिटी डिग्रेड हो, वो वाटर हम लोग पी लेते हैं, तो यूज़ इट एज ड्रिंकिंग एंड मेकिंग वेजिटेबल्स, इवन वी मेक फ्लोर फ्रॉम दैट, आटा वगैरह गूंद लेते हैं, तो उससे भी बहुत सारा इफ़ेक्ट आता है. एंड नेक्स्ट, 1/4 ऑफ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेज इन द इंडिया आर वाटर बॉर्न. मीन्स जितने भी लोग बीमार होते हैं उनमें से 25% जो लोग हैं, 1/4 है, दैट इज फ्रॉम वाटर बॉर्न डिजीज. एंड टू इम्प्रूव इट देयर इज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. NMCG, NMCG एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम है, दैट इज पुट हियर for that water, to control this water pollution. NMCG, National Manufacturing Corporation Group, like that. Culture in this way, these also for this NMCG, National Mission for Clean Ganga. National Mission for Clean Ganga. And one more was there, you have studied in your previous classes, GAP, that is Ganga Action Plan. That is also for the to create the good quality of water to purify the water. And one more is there, Ganga as a river national importance, but river requires cleaning effectively. Ganga action plan. And one more is there, Namani Ganga program was implemented in UP, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal to create the public awareness to avoid the adding pollutants in the water. In this way, this is all about your water pollution. The table given in on your book, this one, table number 12.2, from पेज नंबर 134 आई हैव टेकन दिस, गंगा और यमुना। इसमें से बेटा अक्सर क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं बोर्ड पे, 2 मार्क्स और 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, के जिसमें डाउन स्ट्रीम ऑफ गंगा का क्या है, कानपुर है, डाउन स्ट्रीम वाराणसी है, और एक सबसे वो है क्या कहते हैं, फराक्का बैराज। फराक्का बैराज इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। फिर वहाँ किस टाइप का नेचर है पोल्यूशन का, इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन है, डोमेस्टिक है, डंपिंग इंक्रीज है। फिर मेन पोल्यूटेंट्स एरियाज कौन से हैं, सिटीज़ ऑफ कानपुर हैं, जैसे गंगा के लिए इलाहाबाद है, वाराणसी है, पटना है, कोलकाता है। तो ये सब इसमें अपना जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो इन रिवर्स में डंप करते हैं। तो दैट्स वाई, एंड दिस इज द बैराका बैराज, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज द डाउन स्ट्रीम, राइट, डाउन स्ट्रीम ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश कानपुर, डाउन स्ट्रीम ऑफ बिहार वाराणसी, एंड डाउन stream of West Bengal is Farakka Barrage. And in the same way there is a Yamuna in Delhi. तो दिल्ली टू, दैट इज़ द प्लूटेंट स्ट्रेच क्या है इसका, कहाँ से कहाँ तक है, दिल्ली टू कॉन्फ्लुएंस विद चंबल रिवर, चंबल आपको पता होगा, दैट इज़ इन राजस्थान, एंड मथुरा एंड आगरा, दैट इज़ थ्रू यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश में। तो एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ वाटर कैसे होता है, जो वाटर एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश फॉर इरिगेशन के लिए, दैट पोल्यूट द होल सिस्टम। And second is agricultural runoff resulting high levels of micropollutants in the Yamuna, domestic and industrial waste of Delhi flowing river into, and whatsoever the main pollutants, that is the Delhi dumping its domestic waste. If you have visited that Yamuna area, you have seen that it is too much polluted. The water of the Yamuna is like yellow and orange type, very polluted, not we cannot see towards that water also. In this way, this is very very important from your point of view, and you have to study about this. One work question can be asked, and in this way we have completed our one topic, that is water pollution causes and its effectiveness, and how it can be, how it can be stopped by different ways government has